Hi, I'm Scovia and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video because today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe that is going to be super delicious. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing dish. And to get straight to the point, I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot rice, and it's going to be a hit if you try out the recipe. So if you have some leftover rice in the fridge and you don't know what to do with it, follow this recipe and you're surely going to enjoy, or your family is surely going to enjoy. So here on my stove top, I have placed a pan on medium heat, and to my pan I'm going to add onions. I'm adding onions and garlic at the same time. Stir. I didn't want my garlic and onions to brown. That's the reason I've added both at the same time. And while my onions cook, I'm going to add some ground ginger. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. And you can find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Stir in the spices. And also at this point, I'm going to add 1 Royco cube. I'm using the beef flavored one. Stir. Then I'm going to add in my carrots. I'm using 3 large carrots. And because it is carrot rice, we are using a lot of carrots. Stir in the carrots. Once everything is combined, before even the carrots cook, I'm going to add my rice. And my rice is already, it's from the fridge, so it has salt. So I'm not going to add any other amount of salt because I don't want to overwhelm the dish with salt. Also, you can make this recipe using fresh boiled rice. It's also going to work, but actually refrigerated rice works best. Stir in the rice with the carrots, and at this point I've reduced the flames to medium low. You can see how colorful my rice is turning out. And also you can notice that the rice is turning color because of the color of the carrots. So this is going to be very delicious. So my cooked rice had cumin, whole cumin seeds. So it's going to add even more flavor to my carrot rice. So as the carrot cooks, the water from the carrots seeps into the rice, and the rice turns color to an orange color, yeah. And also it's a very nice way of adding vegetables to your meals. So I'll cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes while stirring so that the rice doesn't burn, and then it's going to be ready. It's that simple. And also you can check the seasoning and make it just perfect. So when grating my carrots with my grater, I use the large size for grating the carrots. I don't think I make any sense. There is the small part, and there is the large part, and there is the really thin part. So I used the large one so that I could have some crunch into my carrots. Yeah. So if you're making this with fresh rice that you have just boiled, you'll cook the onions and garlic and the spices and add the carrots, cook them for a little bit, and when you notice that they have started to release the water, you'll add your boiled rice, stir, and yeah, it will be ready. So mine is ready. And I'm going to serve my rice with carrot sausages. So I'll turn off the heat and serve. I'm going to serve my rice in a large plate that everyone will serve from. And this is amazing. I like saying amazing because my recipes are always amazing. Yeah. I'm going to serve my rice with carrot sausages and it's going to be super delicious. That I know. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like my video, share with a friend, and try out this amazing carrot rice recipe. Bye.